I'm attracted to art that's courageous, outrageous, and unafraid to make a statement because that's what I connect to. That's the real power of beauty according to me. So without further ado, here are my top 4. Go ahead and recreate these fab looks on shopperstop.com or the Shoppers Stop app, where they'll recommend to you the products to recreate these gorgeous pieces of art with live events, new brands, new offers on eye makeup. Oh my god, all this and so much more happening at the Shoppers Stop Eye Stoppers on Instagram from this 15th till the 18th. So are you in? Or are you in, girl? See you there.